I am Zaman from Pakistan and I am living in Iceland since 1996 and was cooking in few restaurants, and now I think to share my experience with another cooking channel for you. In this channel I will try to make recipes as easy as it can, or maybe try to teach you how you can cook many things with one recipe. So here we start from today. My most famous Mutton Karahi that my friends and family were asking since I have learned cooking 40 years ago. And everyone was asking, just make this karahi. So here I am going to start with that special dish for the names of beautiful memories. Mutton karahi with black pepper. एक सिंपल रेसिपी काली मिर्चों में माइल्ड मटन कढ़ाई। जी, तो अब हम शुरू करते हैं आज की कुकिंग। We start with the ingredients. I have 2 kilograms of mutton, lamb, 3 tablespoons of green paste, which is ginger, garlic and green chili paste, 1 bowl of yogurt, 3 teaspoons of cumin powder, 3 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 4 onions, 9 green chilies, garlic, ginger, 5 tomatoes and coriander. We cut onions in slices, which we have in the pot, 4 onions, and now 5 tomatoes we cut in 4 pieces and we put it together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So we don't need to cut the garlic, just peel them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Put them together, and then this is 2 kilo of lamb and 3 teaspoons cumin powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and 3 teaspoons salt and green paste. We also need to put 1 glass of water so it can cook. So we cover the pot, turn on the heat on high and wait for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we cut other things. So my dear friends, it's been 20 minutes. Time to see what's going on in this pot. Looks great. Now we mix it. Some more time. So we will cover it again for around 7 minutes. See you later. So it's time again, my dear friends. Open the pot. Yes. Mix it. Now we will mix yogurt in it. Mix it And from this coriander, chili and ginger, we put chili all together and save half ginger for garnish and half coriander for garnish. We will cook it now till the water is a bit drier, because we don't need so much sauce. It's time for us for some finishing touches. While the water was drying up, I was mixing it in between like this so it doesn't get sticky in the pot. We didn't put the oil at all in this because we are going to put it in the end, and we don't need so much oil, so maybe just half a cup. It's very healthy dish. It's not at all heavy. No spices, so it can burn your chest or stomach, and no oily. So it's good for everyone. It's a very light taste, very mild, in taste very light and very mild, both. So if you guys like my style of cooking, try to like, subscribe and share and click on ding ding, so you will be getting more videos. Now I'm going to dish it out. It's